Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Anshu here from TheTechTrademark, and today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a first look at this Logitech x100, which is a Bluetooth speaker. So without further ado, let's jump inside the box. So, as you can see, the packaging is not that great because I bought the speaker from a local store and it cost me about 1600 rupees. So, if you want to buy this speaker, I provide a direct link in the description, so do check out the description in the end of this video. Let's see what things do we get in the box. So, on the right side of the box, we don't get much information, and on the back side of the box, we just get a Bluetooth logo. And on the left side of the box, we just get a Bluetooth logo, which means it is Bluetooth enabled, a call logo, which means you can take and call using this speaker, and it claims about a 10 meter of Bluetooth range, and it also claims about a 5 hours of battery life. So it will be interesting to see how is the battery life of this Bluetooth speaker. And on the front of the box, we don't get that much information, and it just says rocking sound, connect and play. So without further ado, let's open up the package. So let me just open up the package, and it comes with a nice braided wire over here. And as you can see, and on the top of the box, we get a micro USB to USB cable, which will be used to charge this device. It is just a standard cable, and it is not that big. Let me just show you. As you can see, it is not that big, but the build quality seems to be nice. And other than that, we just get a pamphlet which shows us that how you can use this Bluetooth speaker and some other functionality. So it is just a user guide. And it has a 3-year hardware warranty. So let's see what things do we get in the bottom of the device, of the packet. So we just get a standard warranty guide, safety and warranty guide, and it is all written in Chinese. So without further ado, let's see the Bluetooth speaker itself. So here's the Bluetooth speaker itself. Let me just clean all this junk, and let's see the speaker itself. So it comes with a nice braided wire, which will help you to hang this speaker. And here's the speaker. And as you can see, on the back of the device, we get a Logitech branding, and on the front of the speaker, we just get a speaker grill, which seems to be made up of metal. And on this side we just get a micro USB cable that will be used for charging this device, an aux cable, and on the right side of the speaker we get a minus logo, and on the middle of the speaker we get a Bluetooth logo which will be used to connect this device, and on the left side we get a power button. And that's pretty much it. So in order to control this, you have to just press the Bluetooth, the power button for a second, and it should connect to my smartphone or anyone's phone. So let me just play a track to show you how is the sound quality. Let me just up our volume a little bit, and as you can see the speaker is very loud enough. So as you can see the speaker is very loud enough, and the quality of the hardware quality of the speaker is very good, and it is so small and it fits in my palm very easily. So if you like this video and found it helpful, I'll appreciate if you click that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Till then, I'm Manshu here and I'm signing off. Thank you.